We were on the internet, didn't we? On LinkedIn, yeah, we had a little chat.
Yeah. So I won a postbox at a charity auction, and I decided to take it to the highest point in all 15 national parks to raise awareness of loneliness.
So nice to be this side of the camera and not doing any of the work.
We actually got Ben Fogle to hold one of our collars.
Never heard of him.
Remember doing the ants in your pants dance?
I thought you were a kite surfer.
That was the life before.
Looks good in a hot tub, apparently.
I did hear that he was very tanned tone from a friend, yeah.
And then we realised we were sitting on an ant's nest. That's the latest.
Adventure, absolutely beautiful. It's print, it feels so nice and smooth.
Kayaking down the Zambezi and getting caught upside down between two lots of rocks.
I'm a endurance cyclist / content creator.
Love a bit of dog spam.
I will spam you with my dog.
But yeah, slowed down my breathing and allowed myself to release and wiggle.
Release and wiggle. I'll try to remember that if I ever get stuck in anything. What's your favourite thing you've eaten so far?
Greg's sausage roll this morning, sorted me right out, so yeah.
Greg's?
Greg's.
Oh man, anything I shouldn't miss?
I definitely recommend the trail run tomorrow actually, because I know you're signed up and you're tempted not to do it, so.
There's a great pizza place just up there.
Thank you, Stu. Enjoy your net walk. Where's the cat? Yeah.
You didn't come with the cat on the lead.
We've seen the damage the cat's done.
She's grounded.